these markings look so ugly. They are glued with silicone or something. I think I'm gonna try to remove it with heat gun wedge. So the labels are now off. It was very hard work to remove those, but now it looks better. There is still prison some, but as you can see, there is something like this. And this is the pro tip: if your Prius smell bad, the smell is coming from this rubber hoses. Those are venting hoses to those cells. I made video one battery which I replaced these with just normal plastic tube, and the smell go away. I'm gonna rip off this. I don't like this smells so bad. I'm gonna maybe I keep this, but somewhere outside. I don't wanna smell this very bad smell from this ventilation. Newer Prius doesn't even have these ventilation tubes at all. Next thing, I wanna measure how much current the car is drained from the battery if you don't do anything. 0.03, so it's 30 milliamps. So the car has problem with the trunk lid. It doesn't go close nicely. You have to force it close. There was no adjustment anywhere, so I removed this counter piece. As you can see, there is some adjustment here, but not here. So I don't know what it does because this doesn't have it. So I think I'm gonna make this one looks like that. So it looks like now, like that now. I use this kind of milling drill to make those ovals. I decided to put this wing nut to this bolt, so this can hold the spare tire, and I'm now just gonna weld this together. Just like that, now we have a good mounting screw for the spare tire, which you can actually tight or loose with your hands. No need for tools. I got some new parts: 2 cabin filters, air filter, new spark plugs, oil filter. These are stabilizer link, aka dog bones, and the rear brake repair kit. Okay, so let's start from the easiest one, maybe air filter. tiny little air filter. This one is really dirty, old. Which way it's gonna? Is there some? Okay, airflow is that way, so air comes from here and go there. It doesn't look right, but maybe it's there is some kind of seal. Why it shows that way? Where it was? Or is it that like upside? Is this original Toyota? 250,000 kilometers. I don't know. Okay, but airflow, it shows that way. Very strange. But if air is going that way, so we put this way. Okay, let's see. Next is the cabin filter. Maybe I should take these off. Cabin filter is in there. Looks like this one is carbon fiber. Now we're gonna replace it with regular. I think that is not right for this car. As you can see, there is air can go here side. This is wrong size. It's too I don't know what, but I think this is wrong. Where is the airflow? Is that? Why is this look same? And it doesn't. What the hell? What is this going on? This is wrong size also. Is it the same size? It's almost same size as the old one, but it was also wrong size. So this way I have to force it. This is so wrong. I have to force it there and try to stretch these. Yeah. This doesn't work. If I can get this under it. it's better than nothing, but there is still room at the corners where air can flow bypass this filter, but this is the best what I can do for this one. It's wrong. Okay, next is the spark plugs, and I already have these tools: 10mm socket, screwdriver, flathead, spark plug removing tool, and some leverage, because I already removed that first one and it was so tight. I think it's smart to remove this relay box from get off better clearance, because it's just a 2 bolts. Okay, it's not it's off. Oh, I don't need to remove that electric connector. I just pop this off. And now I wanna clean that compressed air, and for those I maybe spray some lubricant penetration oil there, so the plugs come off easily. Then so this one I already removed earlier, so this is not tight. And this old one is Denso SK16R11 Iridium. These are expensive spark plugs, and what I'm putting there is this Hella CM7RP11. This was only 1.5 euros, so less than 2 euros per spark plug. These are normal copper plugs. I just need to adjust that spark cap to right. Okay, so the manual says that the spark plug cap should be 1.1 millimeter. This is less than 1. This is not correct tool. I need to watch out that insulation. Now it's over 1. So there is 1 and there is 0.1, and when I put this together, then we have the right, and it goes there tightly. Okay, so that one is right now. And now I just duplicate this procedure for those rest, and then we see. This one is so tight. I need to use this lever to get it open. It's very, very, very tight. Doesn't sound good. So there we have a plug. Okay, so the plugs are now replaced. With this last one I need to remove that connector also. It doesn't come out. There is no space. But they are replaced, and now we just try if this still starts. Moment of truth, if it still starts. And it starts. Nice.